Welcome back to Skip to My Life. Today I'm taking you along to discover a brand new store that's Dollar General's Popshelf. How does it compare with Dollar Tree for bargains, quality, and selection? Now I'm going to show you the states that Popshelf is in, but even if you don't have a Popshelf near you, the same merchandise I'm showing you can usually be found at your local Dollar General store. Well, just like at our local Dollar Tree, Popshelf has all the latest seasonal items right at the front of the store. The first thing you'll notice is that not everything is $1 or even $1.25. So some of these items range in price. Most of the items are under $20. Most of them are between $1 and $10. They do still have many items that are just $1, where Dollar Tree has increased their price to $1.25. Popshelf is opened in these 14 states, and it is a child company of Dollar General. One of the people who worked at Popshelf told me that the concept is that this is like a Five Below except for women, and I really found that to be true.
$5. Just really nice neutrals here. They do also have some fun prints, but if you're looking for a certain color scheme or gift, oh, and these are melamine. These are plastic, so really light and breakable. These are $5 for these bowls. Really pretty.
I gave the serveware department 4 stars because the prices really did vary, and some things like this pitcher I thought probably I could beat at Walmart. But if you're looking to stock a first home or a first apartment, this is definitely the place to come.
Got some household items here. These blackout curtains are $15 a piece. If I was going to get something like this, I probably would opt for a little bit higher quality. This is fun. This is a vision board kit for $10.
Popshelf has many fun things for decor, but I think if I were going to buy items like this, I would opt for a little bit higher quality and go to a store like Walmart or Target. Having said that, if you have a certain color scheme that you are looking for, you're probably going to find it at Popshelf or Dollar General. Everything is organized by color. While these floral stems were really beautiful, I did find that there was some merchandise on the floor that needed to be removed because it was defective or worn. Popshelf featured this whole set of casual wear on an end cap, and that was really about all the store offered, so I wouldn't go there if you're looking for a casual outfit. Okay, now we've come to Popshelf's strong area. That's gifting and party, and I have so much to show you in this category. This store offers almost everything you would find at a store like Party City, except at slashed prices. Yes, you can find party wear at Dollar Tree, and it can be great for children's parties, but we're going to step it up a notch for the party wear at Popshelf. My daughter is planning her bachelorette party, and this store would be a one-stop shop for that kind of an event. These plastic serving platters are identical to the ones found at Dollar Tree, but at Popshelf, they're still just $1. You can even find color-coded cake mixes to match your party theme. But the biggest difference here is the quality. The designs and the cuteness factor is definitely amplified at Popshelf. These classic glass mugs are still just $1 at Popshelf, but you'll also find a wider array of really beautiful mugs and drinkware. If you've been with me a while, you know that I have a really soft spot for office supplies and stationery. Comment below and let me know if you're the same. I have to say that this notebook was my favorite because most of the time the saying is true of me. These fake diamond pens are still just $1 at Popshelf, and you'll also find things like pouches and office supply organizers here that you don't find in the same quality at Dollar Tree. Once again, Popshelf has color-coded everything, so if you love the rainbow organizing system, you're gonna love the store. Popshelf offers a limited selection of costume jewelry. This reminds me of the kind of piece that you would just run in and grab if you're on your way to an event and you forgot to put your earrings on. Well, if you're new to my channel, a great big welcome. I am all about small space organizing, and that's what I really came to check out. While Dollar Tree has upped their game lately on their organization systems, I have to say that the quality at Popshelf is far superior. These little jars were the only things I was able to find that were just $1. Most of the items are over $1, but you definitely will see it in the quality.
So here are some drawer organizers. Now these are really sturdy. They're selling them for $5. Dollar Tree now has something similar, but it's much less sturdy than this. It still does the job. Here's another one, $5. I think just a little bit higher quality, but honestly, I don't know that it's necessary to organize your drawers to use real high quality. They also have tons of hangers, all different kinds of hangers. $3 for a bunch, $1. This is a good deal. Okay, I start organizing gold here. $5 a piece. They're a nice square size, like I said, with those sides that are really going to make the most of your space. And handles. These are comparable quality to Container Store, guys. They're really nice quality. And then up here for $3, we have these beautiful little square boxes again. Really pretty size. I see at Dollar Tree, very, very similar. It's $4 here. So, you know, some of these, if you're looking for really nice quality lucite, you're going to find a better deal here than, say, the organizer store. But then some of these, I'm seeing comparable to Dollar Tree. These are $4 and they're really big. So, I mean, when you're looking for these types of organizers, the thing to look for, not so much these slanted sides, but the true square sides. These are going to make the most of your space.
By the way, this episode is not sponsored by Popshelf, Dollar General, or Dollar Tree. These are just my honest opinions. Well, if you're like me and you thought you were just going to pop in, but you ended up spending a lot of time at Popshelf, you're probably going to get hungry. Popshelf carries dairy-free, gluten-free frozen treats, which I thought was really impressive. Some of the same candies that Dollar Tree carries are priced at just $1, but there are many name brand and higher end chocolates and candies and treats.
Okay, here we are at one of my favorite aisles, the pet aisle. This is so cute and definitely higher quality than you would find at Dollar Tree. It's a little bit closer to Walmart. This is my favorite. It's a $5 little toy for a dog. It's got a little squeak in it. I'm trying to decide, can I justify that for my dog? And here's a squirrel. It's so cute. It's got a little thank you tag. So if you had a friend that watched your pet for you, that would be a great little gift for them. And here they have a box. Really, really cute. Here's the less expensive pet toys. This is $1. A little hamburger, which is cute too. That's more similar to what you find at Dollar Tree.
If you're wondering how I came up with my rating system, I asked myself, would I make a special trip to Popshelf for this item? And in the pet supply section, the answer was yes. This store would be a great stop for a new pet owner because all the items that are so basic to pets, like scoops and bowls, are still only $1 here, where Dollar Tree has gone up to $1.25.
The collars for dogs are much higher quality here. I have tried the Dollar Tree collars and leashes and just have not been happy with them. We have many of the same brands as Dollar Tree on these cleaners, including this totally awesome bathroom cleaner, this Chase's bathroom cleaner, just a lot of the same brands, a lot of the same sizes. But guess what? Dollar Tree's $1.25 now, so they beat out their price.
My mind was really blown when I discovered this aisle that has all the components for a wet dry mop sweeper, and this is exactly identical to Dollar Tree store, except these items are still just $1.
also have the whole line of Myers, which is really nice for $5. The spray and all of the different soap products of Myers. So they have all the popular fragrances, peony, lavender, honeysuckle, lemon, verbena, and they also have all of the method cleaners. So I'm really impressed. They have a lot of the name brands. Now, I don't normally buy these, so I can't say how close they are in price. But if you're looking for kind of a one-stop shop where you can get all different brands at a discount, this is probably a good idea for you. This is an item I'm definitely going to be trying. This is a microfiber glass and mirror cloth, specially designed for wiping glass. So it's a much finer weave of fabric.
Pharmacy aisle is very comparable to something you would find at Walmart or Target. They even carry their own line of vitamins, but they have over-the-counter medications except in regular quantity like you would find them at big box stores. While Dollar Tree does carry some name brand items, you'll always notice that the quantity is much less, and in many cases it comes out to be more expensive per piece.
They definitely got a lot more name brand selection when it comes to personal care items like Sedine, Crest, Burt's Bees. Of course, the price isn't all $1, but I think it's a pretty good selection for pretty good price. This would make a really nice little gift, and it's $4. It's a spa wrap, anti-stress comfort wrap with clay beads. And I'm guessing you put it in the microwave. Yeah, microwavable. And you just put it over your shoulders. These are so pretty. They are color-coded, $5. And these are bath bombs, exfoliating body scrub cubes. And you get 16 cubes per thing for $5. I think that would be a wonderful little gift. But then you can come up here. They have the same color little bath bombs. They've got little lip balms for $1. So definitely, if you are putting together a care package, this is the place to come.
One big difference I noticed between Dollar Tree and Popshelf is the merchandising. While I often find shelves empty and picked over at Dollar Tree, this Popshelf in particular had everything stocked and lined up neatly. Would you pay just $1 for this hair color and give it a chance? Comment below and let me know your thoughts.
Okay, this root to end shampoo and hair care is $5 per item. This is a Dollar General brand, and I know it's gotten a lot of great reviews. It looks like they carry a full line of that as well here, as well as just some other name brands that you would find elsewhere. At the store, so many of these items are color coded. So if you were doing a little basket in a lavender, it would be so easy to find things just to put all together that are color coded, and I love that.
If you love face masks, this is definitely the place to come. Most of their masks are still $1, and once again, they're arranged by color, and they have a huge selection.
They also have hairstyling tools, which is something you would not find at Dollar Tree, at least not ones you'd be really looking for there. But I like how they've got this merchandise. The hair care organizer is $15, and that's right next to all these tools that you would use it with. So very smart. Same little Dove thing that you can find at Dollar Tree, but it's $1 here. They've got these also at Dollar Tree. So yep, they beat out Dollar Tree on some of this stuff.
Popshelf carries name brands of makeups, but you'll really find the bargains when it comes to the store brand. Comment below and let me know if you have tried any of these. I did not purchase anything here, so I can't talk about the quality, but by the looks of it, it is very comparable to the Dollar Tree makeup brand.
Now the eyelashes vary in prices, but I'm going to tell you that the Dollar Tree lashes are really hard to beat. So I would just skip this one and go to Dollar Tree. You guys, I know I'm a little bit of a nail snob, but these are $4. Really, really cute. Some really cute seasonal stuff. These are little dessert cups for Easter for $4. So, you know, a little bit pricier as well, but we have some Easter things like these napkins. These are $2. I don't see a whole lot here in the seasonal for $1. I think these are all over $1. Okay, this is just too cute not to show you. These are Easter, a whole selection of Easter. I'm guessing these are all $5. These little placemats, these placemats. This is I guess it's another type of placemat. And then we've got a table runner. It's just all matching, and it is beautiful quality. It's something like you'd find at Michael's or Hobby Lobby.
For lower quality items like these basket fillers, I would skip Popshelf and just go right to Dollar Tree.
Alrighty, oh my goodness, this is $6. Magical Easter unicorn. That would make some little kid's day, for sure. There's just a little bit higher end candies. If you're looking for something like that, they have these Easter dipped pretzels for $4. Really pretty chocolates, but you're going to pay a little bit more, $7. So it just depends on what it is you're looking for. These are the Lindor ones that I love.
Popshelf carries a limited selection of greeting cards. Some were really beautiful, but I didn't feel like anything stood out against the 2 for $1 greeting cards you'll find at Dollar Tree.
They also have gift cards here, and it's a much bigger selection. I know that Dollar Tree has some gift cards. I've heard good and bad about those, but you have all different kinds of selection here.
The checkout area was clean and easy to use, but what I loved the most were these adorable paper bags. They even have some tissue paper there that you can wrap breakable items in. Popshelf has its own rewards program, and if you accrue points by spending, you can get a free gift. Okay, so what are my impressions of Popshelf? I thought it was adorable. I talked with the really helpful guy at the register. He said they'd been only open about 2.5 months, and they are competing for the adult slice of the Five Below market. So he said they're a Dollar General company. They're marketing towards women. Of course, you could tell that by looking inside. I would think, in my mind, I would think of the store as the party store and the gift store. So if you are looking for a unique gift or a filler gift for a basket or a wedding or shower gift, this is definitely the place to go. You're not going to have to hunt around and put something together. It's so easy to find attractive gifting items here, and it's very reasonable for the most part. As far as organizing goes, there are some real deals here to be found. I will say they need to step up their game just a little bit with removing damaged items from the floor or discounting those. But I found some things here that were really comparable to some high-end organizing items, definitely comparable with Amazon. So I would recommend that you check out Popshelf. If you see one, if you have one in your area, definitely check them out. It was a lot of fun looking, especially for spring, and I'm sure that the merchandise is going to change seasonally, so I hope to come back and show you more. Remember, my friend, today is not the end of your story, so don't you give up.